Good afternoon, students. Hope you are doing well. Just a reminder, all assignments must be completed, okay? Now, I want to give a shout out to those who would have completed their assignments. Woohoo! Great job. Okay, students, so this is a familiar painting, and it's a painting done by or created by Pamela Nocido. Now, we talked about this painting before, but I want you to remember what your answers were and what we talked about. So, what do you see in this painting? What characteristics in this painting suggest that it is a successful piece of work? Okay, just a reminder. Let's move on. So, students, our topic for today is still life drawing. And our subtopic, coloring and shading still life. Our objectives for today, students will be able to construct a colored value scale with a 60% accuracy, discuss their understanding of value in a colored still life painting, produced by Pamela Nocido while presenting their own evaluations of the painting. 3, create individual colored still life drawings. What is value? Value is an element of art that describes the darkness or lightness of an object. Name the different shading techniques. Well, the different shading techniques are hatching, cross-hatching, blending, and stippling. Okay, students, constructing a color value scale. Now, we would have talked about this last class, and we would have started the process of creating a color value scale. Now, the instructions are from 1 to 8, and these instructions are basically for those who are going to be using color pencil, crayon, color charcoal. Okay, now those who are going to use paint, the next slide would be the slide that you would need to pay attention to. Now, students are to follow these instructions from 1 to 8 so that you can be clear, basically constructing the color value scale. Okay? Okay, students, so this slide, the instructions will be related to those individuals who will be using paint. So the instructions are from 1 to 15. Now, it may seem a little scary of that number 15. However, it is basically for you to complete the assignment carefully and thoroughly, okay? Now, I need you to present your value scales to your video camera so that I can take a look at it. And also, I need you to email it or send it via WhatsApp. And that is my email address, and that is my WhatsApp telephone contact. Now, we talked about still life, and we know that still life basically includes man-made or natural objects. It's inanimate. Also, life literally stands still in these arranged displays of objects, okay? So life stands still with these objects. Okay, students, so take a look at this painting. I know you've seen this painting before, so I want you to take a look at it, examine it, and see if you can identify the different values, okay? So that you can have an idea of the process of creating your object or objects. Okay, students, so this is another image that I want you to take a look, and this is a familiar image as well. So just examine it to identify the different values so that you can understand how you're going to create your objects or color your objects. Okay, students, so this is another image, and I want you to just examine the image and basically identify the different values, light, medium, and dark shades within the image, okay? So this is basically going to help you. So when you design or basically create your object, you will also include the different values, light, medium, and dark values as well. Okay, students, so this is another example for you to examine and to identify the different values in this image as well, okay? Okay, students, so this is another example for you to identify and examine the different values in this image. Okay, the image may be a little dark, however, you can still see the light, medium, and dark values. Okay, students, so this is a demonstration showing you how to create the object as well as your different values, okay? So the image is basically lightly sketched, okay, in this slide. Now this slide basically gives you a more detail of the object, so you can see the object even more because the values, a few of the values are there so that you can see the shadows as well. So this is the final process of the image. So you can see the different values, you can see the different shades. So you are going to do the same thing. You are going to actually create an object using the same values, okay? Okay, so here's your assignment. Number 1, complete a still life drawing. Number 2, you can use the same objects that you used in the previous assignment. Number 3, draw and shade objects using color mediums, which means you can use colored pencils, crayons, colored charcoal, paint. You can use those. Present your progress of your drawing by placing it to the video camera, so I want to check those. And number 5, complete the assignment. Take a photo and send a photo via email or WhatsApp. So my email, it's right there, and also my telephone number, it's there as well. Okay, but if you have any questions or queries, I will be online to assist you.